Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, and welcome to this 2014 Nissan Nv1500. So what I've got for you guys today, I want to show you how to replace the blower motor and the blower resistor motor in this 2014 Nissan van. Now, before we change the motor, let me show you what the symptom is. Alright, so customer states that the blower motor does not work at all. So we'll go ahead and get the key turned on. And as you can see, we turn the fan all the way on. Nothing is coming out of the vents. So what we're going to do today is we're going to replace the blower motor resistor. And this happens to be, this is the part number that we're using here. This came from Advanced Auto. This is a CarQuest brand, RUC 1034. And we're also going to replace the blower motor itself, just in case that happens to be the problem. And the part number here, this is also a CarQuest unit, part number 75012. And both of these are actually located right behind the glove box. So I'm going to show you guys how to take that out and how to replace the resistor as well as the blower motor itself. As I mentioned, the blower motor and the blower motor resistor are behind the glove box. So let me show you how to take this thing out. It's actually pretty straightforward. There are only 7 screws that I have already removed, but I'll show you guys where they are. So you've got 4 across the top, and then there are also 3 on the bottom. 1, 2, and then 3. Once you get the screws out, go ahead and close the door back up, and then just kind of pull on the glove box gently. This thing is held in by, just plastic clips all around the perimeter. And also you may have to remove a little section of your weather stripping just to get it out. But go ahead and pull gently and the glove box will come right out. And what you reveal right behind the glove box is the blower motor housing, and then also right here is the blower motor resistor. And we're going to change both of those right now. Alright, first we have the blower motor resistor, and there's just one electrical connection. You just squeeze the connection and pull the plug out, like that. And then we have just 2 Phillips screws, one on either side. Go ahead and take those out. And then just pull the blower motor resistor right out. And then just a quick check, make sure they are in fact the same part, which they are. And then this guy goes right back in its place. Plug your connector, put your 2 screws in, and you're done. Alright, we have a new blower motor resistor in. Now let's take a look and see what it's going to take to replace the blower motor itself. So if you take a look underneath of the blower motor housing, which again is all right here back behind the glove box, come under here, take a look, and right here is your blower motor. And so what you're going to have to do to take this thing out, it's pretty straightforward, and hopefully I can get you guys, let me get this lighting switched up here so we can see a little bit better. Alright guys, hopefully that's a little bit better. Alright, so your blower motor is again right underneath here, and there are essentially 2 connectors. You've got this electrical connector here on the passenger side that's facing outside of the vehicle, or towards the outside, but then you also have this vent tube, and this vent tube simply just pulls down. And then same thing with the electrical connector, you just squeeze this guy and remove it. Alright, so after you take all 3 screws out, just be sure to have a third hand with you so you can hold this thing as the screws are coming out so it doesn't fall out on you. But here's what the blower motor looks like. Just pop that out. And this one isn't too bad. There are some bits and pieces of leaves and pine straw in there, but not too bad. But quick inspection of this thing. Yeah, there is some resistance, turning this thing compared to the new one, which spins pretty freely. So that may in fact be one of, if not maybe the reason why the fan was not blowing at all, was because this blower motor is to some degree seized up. Alright guys, I got the new blower motor here. Now this one is a little bit different in that it's got this electrical connector as a pigtail, so it doesn't have the connector directly right off the back side of the motor, but nonetheless it's just going to plug right into the factory wiring harness, no big deal. Also, don't forget to take off that little vent tube from your original factory blower motor. Go ahead and install that onto the new blower motor, and then quite simply reinstall the opposite way that you took it out, putting in those 3 screws. Don't forget to attach the vent tube that's over here on the driver's side, and you should be good to go. All right, now that we've got the new blower motor and the new blower motor resistor installed, now all I got to do is just get my trusty assistant to give that key a turn, try that fan motor, and see if we fix the problem.
Me. Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Go ahead, assistant.
Turn it which way? This way?
Yep. All right. And turn that right there. Oh, I hear it. Is she on high? Turn her all the way up, buddy.
Okay, okay.
Oh, hold on, go ahead. Corbin, turn that knob right there.
Here, all the way?
And there you go guys, just like that, the fan is working. Now we're gonna have hot heat, cold AC, all is good. I hope this video has helped you guys out. If it did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys are having any troubles with your HVAC system or your blower motor resistor. I'd be interested to know what you guys are seeing on these Nissan Nv1500 vans. Thank you guys for stopping by the channel. As always, I appreciate your support, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.